Hey out there, are you a landlord, someone who owns rental investments, either single family houses or small multifamilies, perhaps locally where you live or remotely on other states, territories, even countries? Do you have attempted or explored how to own and manage a good business of rental assets? Let me tell you, my name is Roldan Crespo. I am a retired veteran, also a landlord for the past 13 years, and I have learned throughout the times the importance of having our numbers and our bookkeeping sharp and straight on a weekly basis as possible. Minimum, I would say monthly, but if you're exploring and considering to run a proper business of your rental portfolio, the product I have put together is right for you. Come, check it out. It's a simple, straightforward Excel form. It will be your best friend on months to come. Visit savvylandlords.net and check my profit track. It will be yours profit track and cash flow guardian as well. Come check it out and join this community of like minded people, landlords, small business owners who manage their houses as a proper business. Thank you.